Welcome back to Rustic Glam Life, where we do all kinds of stuff from DIYs, a little fun adventure stuff, and we are doing boxes. So today we have 4 of the subscription boxes to open. We have one that we just brought on 2 trips that we were gonna open, but we couldn't because the weather was so awful, and the only time that it was, well, there was no time. So another story for another time. But anyway, we have 2 of the snack crates. We have a silver and gold, and we have a new one that I'm trying that is layered with lace. So I'm going to start with this one, and this is obviously more female oriented, and so some of you might just want to fast forward because you're not going to care. But this is a subscription box. It is bralettes. And I don't even know if I'm gonna like these. Now, we are not affiliated with any of these boxes. We buy these with our own money, giving you honest reviews of what we think. So without further ado, I'm gonna open this one up. This is really quick. The shipping is free. This is $16 a month. You can cancel or skip a month at any time. So that's pretty cool. So we'll see what they're like and if they actually fit, you know, people with chubbier bodies. So anyway, I love the packaging. This is cute. I love the color. It's got the racer back. Very soft. I usually can't find a lot of clothes for me because my skin is so sensitive with, I have autoimmune. So super soft, super soft. That's cute. I will try it out and let you know in the comments below if it actually supports, which obviously it's not a big support thing, but if it's comfortable and you actually fit inside, okay? So that, and I'll also we'll drop the link. We don't have a link for these because we're not affiliated, but I'll drop a link non-affiliated. Does that make sense? I think it makes sense. So this is my favorite. This is silver and gold. I love this because I love jewelry. This is a monthly subscription. I think I remember, I'll tell you right now, it is, yeah, $35 a month. You can get $10 off your first box right on their website. So this is great. This is all real jewelry. It's sterling silver. There's gold over sterling. So quality jewelry. Comes packaged like this. I know I've shown you this before. Cute. They also have a Ring of the Month Club. Brand ambassador. Might be a good idea. All right. Here we go. This is how the stuff comes packaged in these cute little velvet pouches. And let's see what we got. I can't do anything today. This is cute. So this has got a little blue aquamarine and it's in like a little flower. Let's see. Can you see that? We'll take pictures and post them down below, but you can see that good?
Yeah, pretty good. Hold on.
What did you do?
We'll have to just take pictures.
Okay, we'll take pictures. That's cute. This is a 16-inch chain. Now, most of what we've gotten, I think this is like our 5th box. It's always come with 16-inch chains. Don't know if you can change that. But all I do, because I don't like the 16-inch, I take these. If I want the pendant, I take these and I use these for a little gift. So, kind of cool. All right. Ooh, these are pretty. Not my normal style, but I think I would try these, or like I said, I'd give them away. Okay, this is cool. So, can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here's a little pair of earrings. This is a twofer. Because look at this. So, these are little marcasite studs and an earring jacket in mother of pearl. It's a little flower. So if you don't know what an earring jacket is, you can take your regular earrings, like I could take my diamond studs and put them in here. So that's really cute. I love those. Probably keep those for myself. We'll see. Christmas, everybody's going to be getting jewelry this year. All right. And this last one, another pair of earrings. These are Dreamcatcher style. Little Native American Dreamcatcher style. So it's got the little leaf hanging down. It's got the web. Can you see that? So we'll take pictures. But these are cute. Now these aren't my style, but they're awfully cute. What I love about this box is that the stuff is actually real. So you're getting quality for $35 a month. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, unbiased, love these boxes. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.